investigation ng SWAT committee regarding this murder of Colonel Parayugan. Ngayon, itong si Colonel Santi Mendoza at si Nelson Enriquez ay doon sa platform umamin na sila ay involved and implicated Colonel Leonardo and General Gama. So from there, nagkaroon ng investigation, si IPG and the NBI work together and finally, case for murder and frustrated murder were filed against them. Okay. Nung malaman nga ni Colonel Santi Mendoza na meron ng warrant of arrest, he voluntarily called up the NBI to the OPCD and sinabi niya na willing siya na sumuko. Kaya ayun ang operatiba natin ay